The Vee Trades technical analysis course is now live. Learn to read the chart the right way to prevent costly mistakes. Click the link below to start training now. What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I'll be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Alibaba with the ticker symbol BABA. If you want a chart analysis guaranteed to be done, please read the description below. Also, take a second to give the video a like and subscribe for more chart analysis. I appreciate it very much. This video is for entertainment purposes only. It does not constitute any financial advice. I will first go over what I see in the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. Here we have the daily chart for BABA, and it exceeded my expectations. So I was looking for the 100 to the 102 level, and we even reached the 107, 108 level today. So very bullish looking, and pretty much all Chinese stocks are finally performing how they should be. So it's looking pretty good. So let's go over the chart so you could find out any clues on where it's going next. So last week was right about here. I was deciding if we're going to break lower before going up, or we're just going to move up right now. So it looks like prices were struggling to get through that EMA, gave up, and you can see that buyers stepped the market and drove up prices. We were also near the support side of the channel, so that definitely helped send prices higher. So there were two supports right here, and then we saw that pop up. It was trapped a lot of shorts to see that this price is rocket up. So basically, we met the measure move target. This was the first leg up. This was the second leg up. Target was right around the 102.50, and we reached the 108 level. Now, where's the next target? Well, we can combine the first two legs. This can be one entire impulse up, and basically it's right around the 122 level, and that's pretty much right at the resistance level. So you can see the strong resistance at this 122. So it's kind of cool how it aligns right where the strong resistance is, kind of like market geometry. So nothing is random in this market. You can see this horizontal line here was also by the prior resistance, like a double top. It's not just any small resistance, like something like right here. We had two strong red candles right at this level, and that's where the measure move is. Now you can see that this is also a very strong resistance that prices were having a hard time passing through, and that's where the measure move target is. So market geometry definitely is real. So maybe right now, since we're overextended, we can see a sell-off or a pullback to the opposite side of the channel. Since we are at the top, we go to the opposite side. If we're at the top, we go to the opposite side. But what we can also do is just break it and then double the channel, and that would take us right to the target. So we can also just ignore this as resistance where we're currently at, and then just rocket up higher. So I don't know which one the market's going to do. It is hard to predict the future, and it's just all about probabilities. So right where we're at, I'll be expecting prices to pull back, but I have seen charts that look like they're extended like this, and they just stay extended further. So that's another possibility. But either way, there's a good chance we continue to see higher prices for Chinese stocks, Alibaba especially, and I'm looking for that 122 level. So unless I see anything drastically change, I'm looking for that 122 level. So that's all I have on the daily chart. Let's take a look at the weekly chart to wrap it all up. So here we have the weekly chart for Alibaba, and you can see the smart money is bidding up the price. We're not just getting one big green candle, we're getting multiple big green candles. So this is looking pretty good. It does look like this could be a bottom. I don't like to call tops and bottoms, but it would make sense that this is the bottom, because we did hit the prior all-time lows for the stock at the 58 level, came back again to the same level, and now we're seeing a good amount of buying off that level. So there's a good chance that this could be a bottom. We're also back above the EMA, and it looks like prices are reversing. Looks like the tide is turning. So this looks very good. I'm expecting prices to continue to push higher. Looking for the 122 level, maybe even hit the stops above this 122 level, right around the high 120s, low 130s. So that's what it looks like prices are coming to next. Even though I don't know this is a bottom, at least we should be pulling back further up. Let's just say it's not a bottom and we're just pulling back. Well, at least we should pull back further, because if I do a fib retracement from the highs to lows, the first level it can reach is the 120, and then the 382 retracements at the 157. So normally you're going to see a trend pull back to the 382, even the 50% retracement at the 188. So it does look like there's a lot of room to the upside left, even if this is not a bottom. we should still see higher prices because we had a downtrend pretty much for 2 years. So we're gonna have to see a decent sized pullback. The pullback should be relative to the size of the trend. So if we have a small trend, small pullback. If we have a big trend, we should see big pullback. So even though I'm not sure if this is the bottom or not, we should still see a good amount of pullback for this stock. So pretty bullish on Baba, and I'm pretty sure it's going to continue to move higher unless we see anything drastic. This looks pretty good. I like what I'm seeing on the chart. So that's all I wanted to say about Alibaba this Friday, and I'll have to give you guys an update next week Friday. Thank you for stopping by and checking out my video. Make sure to check out the rest of the channels. You might be surprised on what you can learn. Leave a comment down below on where you think prices are headed. Also share the video with your friends to learn about the markets. Lastly, I appreciate any feedback to help improve the channel since I want to deliver great content to you guys. See you next time, and bye.